Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the debit and credit in the accounting system. Debit and credit are actually the pillars of the accounting, the main rules of the accounting. There are five main categories which are assets, liabilities, equity, and expenses and revenue. So we will categorize in two types. We will categorize in two parts for understanding. So one part, when we are going to increase, it will be debited. In the other part, when it's going to increase in the business, it will be credited. In the first part, which is going to be increased and debited, these are expenses and assets. These two category, when you are going to add something, for example, if you have cash, it's an asset, and you add furthermore cash, so it's in the business the cash will increase, so it means it's debited. On the other hand, liabilities and equities and revenue, when it's going to increase in the business, it will be credited. Just like when you sell something on cash, so the cash means the cash coming to the business, the cash will be debit as an asset. On the other hand, when the sale increase in the business, it goes credit. So in simple, the entry is cash debit and sale credit. Now we will go to explain how the expenses. When you pay something, for example, you pay for the rent, so rent expense is an expense will be debit, and when you paid the amount to the landlord, so the cash is going from the business, it means the cash is going to decrease, so the cash is an asset will be credited. So expense debit and cash credit. Now goes to the liabilities. When you buy something, for example, you purchase a car is an asset, so the asset increase and it's debited. Now we are going to explain the liability. For example, you are going to purchase a car from someone on credit, so the car is an asset in business will be debited, and as a liability, accounts payable is increased because the loan or the liability on the business will be increased, so it will be credited. The last part, equity, when the owner of the business brings some cash to the business, so it means the cash is in the business is increased and it will be debited, and the owner equity is also increased because the owner bring more money, so it's increased, it will be credited. So it's very simple. I hope if you like this video, like this, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.